our session on Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023 or 2023. Today in our session, my dear students, my dear Alejandro Avila, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
My dear Alejandro, can you read this content?
Yes. Today in our sessions, Hangman, topic presentation, activities and exercise reflections.
Thanks, my dear Alejandro. This is the sequence, my dear students, in our session today. The first, it is Hangman, that famous game to play. We have only the topic, our topic. So here we go. This is the topic. My dear Brenda, can you read this definition?
Yes. They link opinions from one sentence to the next and give paragraphs. Blah, blah, blah.
Coherence.
Coherence. They help us
Nice.
What?
Organize.
Organize the events of the beginning, middle, and end of a story.
Thank you, my dear Brenda. Yes. We have some special words and phrases, my dear students, to link, yes, connect opinions and ideas in paragraphs and little by little to finish a story. Tell me letters, my dear students, to find two words. Please. Can you tell? A. Oh, no letter A.
E.
Yes, 4 times. Wow.
S.
Yay.
M. L.
C.
Oh, no letter L.
C.
C. Great.
D.
O.
R.
R.
Yes, it's connectors, but a special group of connectors.
Q,
You,
Perfecto, my dear students. It is sequence connectors. Special words and phrases to help us. Okay. Now, our objective. Elizabeth Cruz, can you read the objective?
Yes, teacher. Objective: to practice some sequence connectors to present some events with coherence and in order.
Coherence and in order.
Coherence and in order.
Thank you very much, my dear Ellie Cruz. To present our ideas logically and coherently, my dear students, there are special words. They are connectors. Aha. Linkers. Wait a second. Here you are. A group of 5. Okay, let's read the definitions. My friend Evaristo, read the definitions, please.
it shows a reason first. Okay. It shows a reason. It joins two opposite ideas.
Opposite ideas.
Opposite ideas. It joins two words or ideas that are similar. It indicates one of two or more options. It shows a result.
Thank you, my dear Evaristo. Now, above, my dear students, a group of words. So, the first, which one corresponds to? My dear Pao del Carmen, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Pao.
Yes.
It shows a reason. What
Yeah.
word?
I don't know. So.
So?
No. It's bigger issue. A reason. Yes, no. So.
So, okay. So, the second, my dear Pao del Carmen.
Yes. It's going to opposite ideas. Opposite ideas because. But no. but.
Yes, contrasting, but. Thank you, my dear Pao. Roberto Tolentino. Next.
Is or
can you read the definition?
it joins two words or ideas that are similar.
That are similar. Okay. The
No,
next.
no, no, no.
No?
Is and.
Okay. We change. So different decision. And. What about the next one, my dear Roberto?
It indicates one of two or more options. Is or.
Or. And finally, my dear Roberto, do you think that this goes at the end?
No.
Can we change something?
Yes, it's so.
Okay. So at the end? Okay. And the first?
It's because.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, my dear Roberto. My dear students, do you agree with this order? Pao del Carmen.
No, it's okay. I think so is in the shows a reason, but no, it's okay.
It's okay. So let's check answers. Wow, my dear students. Perfecto. So, happy face. Okay. Excellent performance. Here you are. These words, my dear students, have a function. The first, expressing a reason. The second, opposite ideas. And similar ideas. Or options. And so, a result. Okay? Now, practice in context. There is a game with special sentences. Here we go.
It's finally, no?
Okay. Can you read it?
Randy studies dentistry in the faculty. Finally, he loves helping people.
Yes. Finally?
Because?
No, it's because.
Because? Yes, because we express a reason. Number 2.
So?
Complete sentence.
So?
So. Yay, that's right. Next one, my dear Alejandro.
It's Randy and his classmates like working in the dental clinic every day.
Okay, and this is dental. I
Ah,
made a mistake. It's
okay.
dental. Yay! That's good. Brenda, please.
Because
Complete sentence. Last
last
week.
week Randy was working in the hospital because he had many patients.
Okay.
See?
Patience. Oh,
Oh,
don't worry. Don't worry. Mhm. Next, my dear Ellie Cruz.
When Randy wanted to examine a patent, he couldn't do it because this person was very nervous.
Nervous? Yes, the connector. Evaristo, please.
Yesterday, Randy received a letter. He had two options to work in a public clinic or a private hospital.
Or a private hospital. Yay. Pau del Carmen.
Yes, last month Randy went to visit a patient, and he did not help him. I know, but he didn't. But because
Yes. Opposite ideas. Roberto.
Randy's professors were teaching the types of teeth. Mm, mm, I- so Randy learned their names.
Yay, my dear Roberto. So it's the result. Next one. Alejandro.
Yes, teacher. When Randy parents knew he passed his final exam, they were very happy, and he was finally a graduate student.
Oh, which one, my dear Alejandro? Because
Sorry,
I,
because
because, yay, well done. This one, we repeat it. My dear Brenda. Huh, my dear Brenda? No, Brenda? My dear Ellie Cruz.
When Randy was a student in the faculty, their friends did not visit him, but they found him on the weekends.
Okay, but.
But, yes.
Yay, my dear Ellie. So, one more opportunity with this. My dear Evaristo.
Yes. Last week, Randy was working in the hospital. He had many
Patience.
patients. Last week, Randy was working hospital because he had many patients.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a little bit different, that one. Okay, but I think that is possible because and because express the first reason and the second similar ideas. So I consider that because is acceptable. Okay, my dear students. So excellent performance. Okay. Using different connectors in a special context. Do you have any comments or observations, my dear students?
What's the question? Sorry?
Do you have any comments?
No, teacher.
No?
Teacher.
Okay. Well, let's move on. This group, my dear students, to link sentences. There is another group of words to help us. Stop sharing. Okay, be patient, patient. Give me a moment, my dear students.
Yes.
Okay. It's ready. Here you are. Yes. Okay. These sequence words, dear students, to present logical order. This group. My dear Alejandro, Can you read this set of words?
Yes, teacher. It's first, finally, next, after, then, and last.
Last. Yes.
Last.
Okay. When can we use them? Definition. My dear Brenda, can you read this content?
No sé si ya se escuché, es que no sé qué le pasa a mi compu que de repente me deja prender el micro y de repente no.
Yeah, you can, my dear Brenda. We listen to you.
¿Leo todo?
Please.
Sequencers are words that organize your greeting and speaking. Words like first, next, then, after then, and finally. We often use sequencers in English when we give instructions, describe a process, or tell stories.
Thank you, my dear friend. Yes, that's right. Describe a process or tell stories. First, my friend Ellie Cruz. Read it.
Yes. First, ignore the beginning of a series of events. Example. First, put water to boil. Call your mom first, then you call me.
Yes, my dear Ellie. We can start with this. First, it's gonna be the first moment of a series of events. Another, our friend Evaristo. Read it.
Yes, teacher. Then next or after that, examples. Let me finish this job, then we'll go. Give her the letter to read, then she'll understand.
Thank you. One more. Pao del Carmen.
Next. Yes. Immediately after examples. So what happened next? What would you like next? First, preview the garlic. Next, the ginger. How do you
Ginger.
say ginger?
Ginger. Yes, my dear Pao del Carmen. And Roberto Tolentino.
Yeah. Finally, use it especially at the beginning of a sentence to introduce the last point or idea. Examples. Finally, I'd like to thank everyone for coming this evening. Finally, serve with salad.
My dear students, our words to express a sequence. There are questions. This one, my friend Alejandro.
Yes, teacher. First, look to your left and right. and after you you can safely cross in the road in the campus.
So you consider after in this space.
Yes.
Let me click. Oh, my dear. It's a little bit different. Brian Delgado.
After years of hard work, finally, my brother is graduating as a dentist.
Finally?
Finally, yes.
Last idea. Ellie Cruz.
Please clean up your space in the laboratory. After, go to clinic.
Oh, okay. This is after that. But no problem, my dear Ellie, no problem. Evaristo.
Annie is boiling some water. She will make some tea for patient. Then
our friend Roberto.
Yes, I finished my homework. Finally, I am allowed to play football on the field.
Finally, yes. Alejandro.
In the class, Sarah made a physical examination. She needed to take notes the patient's recordings. First,
Yay! That's good. You finished, my dear students. And here you are. The presentation again. Well, the words are here to connect our sentences in a sequence, okay? More practice in context, yes. But now there is a text. Our text. Okay. I have a special person. She is Sarah. Okay. Sarah is a young dentist. Let's read her story. My friend Alejandro, the first paragraph, please.
yes, teacher. There was a young dentist named Sarah. She graduated from dental school and was excited to start her career. One day, Sarah received a call from dental clinic asking her to substitute for college
Colleague.
colleague who was sick. She quickly agreed and went to the clinic.
To the clinic, yes, my dear Alejandro. Just let's repeat. Receive
Received
and career.
career.
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks. My dear students, questions about new vocabulary? In this paragraph? Pao, tell me.
Yes, I don't know the color receive it.
Receive.
Receive.
Yes. It's when something is for you. For example, imagine that today is Pao del Carmen's birthday. Then many friends give Pao presents, and Pao, very happy, receive those presents. She accepts those presents.
Okay.
In this case is a call or phone call.
Okay, and quickly?
Quickly, rapidly, fast.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Thanks to you.
Teacher?
Yes, my dear Evaristo.
And the word career?
Career. When you are studying, my dear students, that some of you or most of you are in the faculty, when you finish and you are a graduate student, you can start to work. In this moment is your career. When you start to work what you studied before, that is your career. Much better?
Okay, so dentist surgeon is our career?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thanks, teacher.
Thanks to you. Now, next paragraph. To choose alternatives. My dear Brent Delgado, second paragraph.
When Sarah arrived, she saw a waiting room full of patients. She felt a little nervous, but finally, she knew that she was training well. She introduced herself to the first patient, a young boy named Tommy. Tommy had a what?
Is this to take?
To take?
Uh-huh.
And was in a lot of pain.
Thank you, my dear Brent. That's right. My dear students, in the first line, what option is the best?
Teacher, I have a question. What
Yes.
say south? She south?
Oh.
In the first part? No, in the first.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Base form. C.
Okay, in the past is south?
So, past.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks to you. My dear students, first or second option?
Teacher, it's first.
The first?
So.
Yes.
Because we have the result. Okay, so many patients, so she felt a little nervous. Good. Second line.
But
But
It's finally.
or finally. Keep in mind, but to contrast. This one, she felt a little nervous. Contrasting or finishing the idea?
finishing, no?
It's contrasting, no?
Contrasting. It says, she knew that she was training well. Do you understand training well? It means, my dear students, necessary abilities to complete a job. It is training well. Consequently, my dear students, it's contrasting. But because the previous is negative and the next is positive. Yes? Is
Okay,
clear
teacher.
why? Next paragraph, my dear students. Pau del Carmen, please.
Yes. First, finally, Sarah, careful exam tummy mode. After that, before she discovered that he had a cavity, because so she explained to him that she needs to clean the cavity and filing with a special material to make the pain go away. Tommy was scared, but and he trusted Sarah and agreed to the treatment.
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 Yes. My dear students, first or finally?
First.
Great idea. After that or before?
After that.
Because or so?
So.
He explained to him. But and.
But.
Contrasting, right? Tommy was scared, but he trusted Sarah. It's clear. Trusted?
Tratar.
More or
Confiar.
less. One more time.
Confiar.
Aha. In past.
Confió.
Exactly. Good. Any comments?
Teacher, one question.
Tell me.
Bueno, no sé cómo hacer la pregunta. ¿Cómo se dice coma en inglés?
Ah, C O M M A, coma.
Ok, coma.
Next paragraph. Our friend Roberto, please.
Yes, teacher. Then or why Sarah began working on Tommy's tooth, using a small drill to remove the decayed part. She was very focused and made sure to be gentle.
Gentle.
Gentle. Tommy was a bit anxious, but Sarah was calm and confident to help him relax.
Great, my dear Roberto. Then or why?
Then.
Yes, because why represents a question and there is no interrogative structure. Good, very good. Next paragraph. My dear Alejandro.
But later she was cleaning the cavity, and Sarah was filling it with a tooth-colored filling material. She explained it to Tommy that taking care of his teeth by brushing and because flossing regularly will help prevent future cavities. Tommy listened attentively and promised to take better care of his teeth.
Thank you. Only this repetition. We got promised,
Promise?
feeling.
Feeling.
Yes, my dear. Good. Now, the first word, but or later.
Later.
Because we are not contrasting, but to express contrast. Then, and or because.
Because.
Yes, is to express reason or similar ideas.
Reason.
Brushing, flossing.
It's similar, no?
Similar. What is brushing?
It's
Cepillar.
como... Yeah, eso.
Very good. And flossing? It's something that you recommend when after brushing, we use a special thing to clean our teeth.
Con el hilo dental.
Yes. So we have taking care of his teeth, brushing and flossing. So, complement ideas, right? Yes. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okie dokie. We move on. Next paragraph. Our friend, one more time, Ellie Cruz.
Yes. After before, Sarah finished treating Tommy. The next patient, Mr. Johnson, entered the room. Mr. Johnson needs a tooth extraction. Next, or Sarah carefully explained the process, assuring her that it would be and quick and without pain. After that, would Mr. Johnson felt relieved and trusted Sarah to do the job.
Yes. Geoff.
Yeah,
Mighty Ellie, repeat. Patient.
patient,
Procedure.
procedure,
Quick.
quick,
Geoff.
job.
Thank you, mighty Ellie.
Thank you.
So, my dear students, after or before?
After, no?
Because it's a sequence. Next or?
Next.
Yes, we continue with the sequence. After that or but?
After that.
After that. Okay. Do you have any questions considering new vocabulary?
Yes, I don't know, a surnic? Surnic?
This one?
Yes.
Assuring. Yes. It says, my dear, that in this case, the dentist says, don't worry, no problem. This tooth extraction is not dangerous. It's completely safe. It is assuring, no problem, no negative consequences. It is assuring something is good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks to you. And last but not least, the paragraph. My dear Evaristo, please.
Yes. Secondly, finally, Sarah successfully extracted Mr. Johnson tooth, and she provide her with post-extraction care instructions. Mr. Johnson thanked Sarah for her professionalism and compassion.
Yes, my dear Evaristo. My dear students. Secondly or finally?
It's a finally, no?
Finally.
Because it's the point.
Aha. It's the last point. We say finally. Yep. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Sure,
No?
thank you.
Thanks to you, my dear students. Well, with this practice in context, we can see how important is to include correct or appropriate sequence connectors to create excellent paragraphs or ideas. Linking. Okay. My dear students, today we finished our session. Are there any questions or comments?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
So, is everything fine? All right, my dear students. So, my